morning, my third grade friends, and we are doing week 18, day 4 of our math review. You should have spent 10 minutes trying to solve this. Now you are correcting, or you are learning, how to solve these problems. So let's get started. Hugo lifted a total of 72 pounds in 9 attempts. Hugo lifted the same number of pounds in each attempt. How many pounds did he lift in each attempt? Okay, so I'm gonna scoot my paper on over here so there's some space to work. So we have 72 pounds, and he did this in 9 attempts. So we got 72 divided by 9 equals something. Well, we've been working on our tens, and remember 9s are basically a 10 minus 1. So what is so the closest number to this one is 80, right? The closest 10 would be 80, because that would make it, and then the difference between 80 and 72 is 8, okay? So 80 times 10, so this would be 8 times 10, so this must be 8 times 9. So we're kind of using our strategies of knowing that our 9s are simply a 10 minus 1. So 72 divided by 9 is 8. So here are our 8s, right? So I'm going to put this over here. He lifted 8 pounds each time. And you notice I'm not just writing 8, I'm writing 8 pounds each time. Okay, 848 minus 399. Okay, well, I am going to take this number right here, just knowing my number sense, and I'm going to just round this to 400. It's super close to 400. So if I take 848, okay, but remember the difference of this is 1, okay, and I subtract 400, that will be an easy, I can do that like easily. But the answer isn't necessarily 848. Remember, we have this difference of 1, so I have to subtract 1 more, and that's going to leave me 847. So I don't know if you solve this differently, that's totally fine, but I just used my knowledge of numbers, and took 399 and know that it's like only 1 off of 400. 848 minus 400, that's a lot easier, because then I can just subtract this extra 1. So I took this extra 1 right here and subtracted it right there, the difference. Okay, 54 divided by 6. 54 divided by 6 is going to be 9. Because I know that 6 times 9 is 54. 45 divided by 5. Okay, well, for this one, let's count by 5s until we get to 45. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I did that 9 times. And then 24 divided by 4. Okay, well, I know that there's a relationship between 4 and 6 and 24, so 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Okay, and this one we're multiplying by 7s to fill in this table. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, and 7 times 5 is 35. And if you notice, when we do these tables, we're also skip counting by 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Okay, please take a picture of this and for today's word, the word of the day is going to be coffee. Okay. Please get that taken and turn into Canvas. Okay. Until next time.